In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Strava to Garmin Watch. If you use a Garmin Watch to track your workouts, connecting it to Strava lets your activities appear in Strava automatically, with your maps, pace, heart rate, and more. The process is quick, and I'll walk you through each screen so you know exactly what to expect. Start by opening the Strava app on your phone. Make sure you're signed in and that you have a reliable internet connection, since we're about to set up a live link between your accounts. From the main screen, tap the profile icon. This brings you to your personal page, where you can access settings and manage connections. In the top corner of your profile, tap Settings. This is where Strava keeps all account preferences and device links. Inside Settings, look for the option labeled Connect an app or device and tap it. This section lists services that can share data with Strava so your workouts sync automatically. On the list, find Garmin and tap it. Selecting Garmin tells Strava that you want to link your Garmin account so activities from your Garmin watch can flow into Strava without any manual uploads. Next, tap Connect Garmin. You may see a brief explanation of what data will be shared between the two services. This step initiates a secure connection so Strava can receive your activity data from Garmin. When prompted, tap Save. This confirms your selection and prepares the link. After that, you'll see terms or permissions explaining what's being authorized. Review the information, then tap Agree. Agreeing finalizes the connection and activates the sync. That's it. Your accounts are now linked, and your future activities recorded with your Garmin watch will start appearing in Strava automatically. You should see Garmin listed as connected within that same settings area, which is a good sign that everything is set. A few quick tips to help things go smoothly. Keep your phone online to allow the first sync to process, and give it a little time after your next workout for the activity to appear in Strava. If you don't see Garmin in the list or the connection doesn't stick, make sure your Strava app is updated to the latest version and try the process again from the settings screen. Also, check that notifications or permissions within Strava aren't restricted, since that can delay syncing. You're all set to enjoy automatic uploads from your Garmin watch to Strava. Thanks for watching and happy training.